Hello. Hello, babies. Here's Erin. Hiya, Erin. And this is Audrey. Hello, Audrey. You're very pretty, Audrey. Hey, Erin. Erin. Girls. There they are with their mummies. Hey, Praline. Praline. Here she is. Hello, Praline. Mango, 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 mango. Mango, mango. I know. Praline knows her little girl. She plays with her. Yeah. That's Praline and Erin. Hi. Mango. Hey, where's Audrey? There she is. That's little Audrey. Hi. And that's Erin right there. And that's Audrey. Hi, Mango. 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 Good girl. Woo. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Hello, Audrey. Hi there. Hi there. There. Audrey. Erin. Oh, look at her. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Look at her. They're beautiful puppies. Yeah. Hello, ladies. Hey, Praline's having fun with her little girl. Erin. Hi, Erin. Hi. There she is. Hi, Mango, Mango. Whee, little girls, little girls. They always put their tails up because they happy little angels. Happy little angels. Come on, here we go. Here we go. She likes to follow me. She likes to follow me too. Hey, hey, hey. Hey, she on it. Oh, Erin says, "Come over here. Lots of fun. Lots of fun." Yeah, yeah. Erin. She says, "I want to lie down. I want to lie down." And Mango says, "I want to lie down next to you." Mango. Oh, yeah, mamas. Oh. Erin says, "Hi, mommy. Come on. Come on. Let's play. Let's play." Oh.